Hi friends, today I am going to tell about LM317. The LM317 is a popular adjustable positive linear voltage regulator. We can say that this is one kind of DC to DC converter. It means we are giving input DC and we are getting output also DC. And we can say that this is one kind of voltage regulator, and this IC having a 3 pin like input voltage and output pin and adjustable pin. So come to this picture. So they have given here black diagram of LM317. So they connected, how you can see here, third pin is going to input section, second pin is going to output section, and first pin is going for reference voltage. It means it's like a voltage divider. And they provided here input section side also they provided one capacitor, and output section also they provided capacitor for filtering purpose. And first of all, we have to understand what is the LM317, why they are using. So we can see here input section how much voltage you have to give, you also doesn't know. So we have to see the LM317 of datasheet. So they have given specification, it means parameters. So the input voltage is you can give 3 voltage to up to 4 voltage, and you will get output voltage is 1.25 voltage to 37 voltage you can get at output side. Depends on resistance value, you will get output voltage here. So for example, I will show you the one parameter. So you are giving input voltage is 40 volt. It means maximum voltage 40 voltage you are giving for input, and you are changing the resistance value. The R1 is constant resistance value. It means 240 voltage, 240 ohm is constant voltage. And I will calculate here R2 value is I am keeping as a 1K. So divided by 240 and plus 1 volt in 1.25 reference voltage. So you will get output voltage is 6.45 at this section. And same as it is, you are removing it means you are varying the resistance value. You are keeping here 2K. 11.66. So 11.6 voltage you will get at output section. Same as it is, I am seeing here, you will vary it means you are increasing the resistance value 4K. So 22 ohm you will get at output section. This is what they are calling adjustable voltage regulated using LM317. Okay friends. So here I am provided for R2 value formula. So for example, you are varying the resistance value, then only you will get the output section. So you want to fix it the resistance value, so that we have to calculate the particular resistance value. So for example, you need a 5 voltage at output section. So here provided for R2 value formula here, and I will calculate as per the formula So there are 5 voltage output voltage, I need 5 voltage minus reference voltage is 1.25 and divided by 1.25 int R1 value is constant. You cannot vary the resistance value. So the constant resistance value is 240 ohm. So you can put 720 ohm here. If you are putting 720 ohm here resistance value, you will get here output section 5 volt. And this is also same circuit only, LM317 only. Just I added some kind of push button for selecting the resistance. Okay friend. So for example, I want 1k means I will press push button 1 and I want 2k means I will press push button 2. It means I need a voltage 6.4 volt, so I will press push button 1 and 11.66 volt, so I will push button 2. So 16 volt I need and I will press push button 3. So depends upon the variation of resistance value, you will get output voltage here. So come to this picture, same thing, LM317 circuit only, this is the one, but the thing is instead of push button I have using here transistor. Okay friends, so once the base current is getting means the transistor will get switch on, it will close the path, so this resistor will get ground. So this value will add to this resistance and it will go to the IC. So you will get some of the voltage as per our formula calculation. Okay friends, so here, so A, B, C, D, from microcontroller 2 I have taken 4 pin A, B, C, D. So this A, B, C, D is connected in base side, base pin, all the base pin will connect. So this device can also be used for make a programmable output regulator. Okay friends, so for example in microcontroller I have programmed some kind of like 10 minutes I need voltage A section, so 10 minutes you will get base current. So once base current is coming to this from microcontroller to this transistor, as per formula what resistor you have added here, for example 1k if you added means the 1k it will add to this circuit. So you will get output voltage around 6.5 volt. I have showing in the before picture, you can see that before picture, as well as same thing I have provided here also. B section will go to here, C section will go to here, D section connection will go to here. So 10 minutes it will be on this section and 10 minutes it will be on this section and 10 minutes it will be on this section. So depends on program, you can program with, depends on program we can control this IC. That is why they have called for this IC name is programmable. It means this device can also be used for make a programmable output regulator. With the program we can regulate the output voltage. Come to this picture for calculating of power distribution. The power distribution is nothing but like input voltage. For example, I am giving here input voltage is 20 volt and I need output voltage is 5. So 20 minus 5, so you will get 15 and 15 into output current. Output current is around 1 amps, up to 1 amps I can drop because as per data sheet they have provided maximum output current is 1.5, but up to 1 amps I am dropping here. So 1 amps I am giving here. So 1 amps if I am giving means 15 watt power distribution value is 15 watt. Okay friends, thank you.